I found my heart again. You were standing there, you bravely let me in. I could wait a million years or more.
Yo, what's up today? Today is the travel vlog. I'm going to the North Bali. So I wanna see on the way a few shots. I will make a few snaps. And now in Bedugul, just next to the Handara gate. This is actually gate to the hotel, but it's very famous tourist attraction, especially from the two past years. Actually, I don't know why, because this is just the gate to the hotel. I even had to pay the ticket for 30,000. Could you imagine that? I wanted to fly drone over here, however they want to charge me another 100k, which is $7 for the flying just through the gate to the hotel. I can go to the hotel, have a coffee, and I will be the same. That's the reality of Bali nowadays. However, if you ever been here in the past 2 years, especially in the last year, you will know as you will have to wait here in the queue at least 30 minutes, sometimes even 1 hour. Could you imagine that? And you have 5 minutes to make a pictures. However, now as you see, I'm by myself. However, yeah, I cannot fly drone, so I'm quite disappointed. I mean, I could fly drone, but I don't wanna pay 100k. So these local people, they wanted to go to the restaurant and make a pictures. Actually, I don't mind, but I think the security guy come and they have to buy the tickets anyway. It's so funny. I will try to show you the few shots of the place anyway. Yeah.
Until you came knocking at my door. It's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any game.
Basically, it's very nice gate, as you see. However, I have completely no clue why you have to buy ticket. That's actually happened 2 years ago. Like I said previously, you just come here, make a picture, nobody really mind. However, yeah, this hotel behind me, they earn more money from selling tickets to have a picture on this gate, on the just earning money from staying in the hotel actually. Yeah, so it's quite interesting. Yeah, one day we will go with Winnie to this hotel. By the way, it's quite cheap, less than $50 per night, with the golf course. Why not? But honestly, I don't really understand why this gate got so much popularity in Bali. And okay, I think I will go to the next point. I wanna go to the lake Bedugul, make a few snaps there. Hopefully I can fly drone over there without paying such a big money. Alright, just stop on the middle of the road, and over here is the monkeys. Actually, it's supposed to be monkey, only one monkey over there. However, I meet some Indonesian vlogger. He just started, however, very good crack. Nice to meet people on the way. And the sweet baby, hello! Don't be shy, alright. Where are you going, my friend?
Yes.
Where are you going, my friend?
I will go to Singaraja.
Oh, that's good, because I'm going to Lovina today.
Okay.
So the same. Alright, good luck. Success, yeah?
Thank you. Good luck too.
As you see, always it's good to travel somewhere. Go outside your home, if it's possible, of course, obviously. And you're always gonna meet some interesting people. Or monkeys, but this monkey is already trying to attack me. Where she is? Over here. She already trying to attack me. Whenever I'm gonna go closer, she already trying to attack me. You see the thief? Okay, I have to go next. Feel not so safe here. Oh, nice. Stop on the corner where is this very sharp corner. The monkeys are here, few, not so happy. However, this brave guy feed them and touch them. I go next. I think so, I go next. However, this monkey is so cute over here. And the corner of the road is like this.
You down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own. I should have done so much more, like giving you the things you asked me for. And I know I was wrong. What I try to tell you with my song.
Alright, just arrived to the Badugu Lakes. This is lake number 1 and behind me is lake number 2, and this is very beautiful place in the mountains. It's actually very high, it's around 1.3 thousand meters from the sea level, so it's quite high. It's actually very cloudy day today, but it's not so cold. Usually it's a lot of people here. This is only my car over here, and over there is the one car. Is there some warungs, but people having picnics nowadays. Normally it's also some people who are having like a big lizards and big snakes and trying to rip people off from I mean not rip off, just showing you around, but this is, you know, yeah, forget about it. I'm heading to one secret place, and this one very nice place. I think so you will like it, and not many of you ever saw this place, because as I know, as many of Balinese people who born in Bali and they are not obviously from that area, they don't know about existence of this place. Winnie doesn't know about that, even she's from Trabaran. I showed her first time, and her family doesn't know about this place also, so I will show you, but first I wanna make a few beautiful shots from the drone from this place, because it's so beautiful. And I hope so it's not gonna be rainy, because it's so cloudy. It should be fine, should be fine. I just arrived to this beautiful secret place. This is very old temple. This is Munduk area, and the lake is called Tamblingan Lake, and the temple, if I'm not mistaken, is also called Tamblingan Lake. It's very beautiful. Sorry to say, but it's abundant, looks like abundant, but a little bit about story what I found out about this place, as the ceremony over here is only once a year. However, it's a very beautiful place. When I come here first time, that was around 2017 or 2018, everywhere around here, including this road, where is over here was the water. So everything was under the water, including the temple, where is this walls that was under the water. It was quite long, big lake, and now I can see as the lake is already so far away from the temple, which is so sad actually, because it's going to be dry and dry and dry each year so much. So it's not the same effect, you know what I mean. However, the place is still beautiful. Not many people know about this place. Comment below if you ever been here, if you ever been in this place. Did you saw this place somewhere or you visited? If not, this is very beautiful place. You should visit one day. I will show you on the map where is it. I think it's not a big secret. Beautiful place. I will show you guys around and I will make a few drone shots.
Into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line.
One thing about this place, the road to come here is quite challenging. It's very small, very bumpy. If you are living in Bali and own your own car with this low suspension, like a sporty car, some kind of Mercedes, BMW, something, or GT86 Toyota, or even Honda Civic, but with the low suspension, big wheels, better come by different car or by bike, because you're gonna destroy it. However, by the other cars it's fine. Just make sure you have lots of skills of driving in Bali. Lots of tracks, very small road, and very easy to hit the bottom of the car. However, I'm really surprised because the lake is so small now. One thing, interesting fact about this place, except the temple, as you can go by the lake on the kayak or small boat with the local people. Just pay them, I don't know, I've been once 100 or 150k, depends on how many people. If you are just one or two person, will be probably 100k enough. This is just for the local people who living here, so just give them however you think is best for you. I will show you on the lake is the sign how much water is going down, and it's incredibly disaster. I think this is kind of natural disaster actually what's happened here, and it's super sad. It's really sad about the lake as it so go down. Here already was like 2 or 3 meters of water 3 years ago when I'm walking now.
I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast?
This thing, what I'm standing, what I used to stand, was the place for making pictures, and that was about 10-15 meters on the lake, or maybe more. And as you can see the sign, and the distance between the edge of the lake and the temple over here is the water goes down about 3 meters, 3 maybe 4 meters, which is I think is the real problem. As you can see, the track over here is taking water because of the areas, not here but from around this area, they have problems with the drinking water. So they are taking water for plants and for drinking as well, but mostly for plants. Yeah, it's actually very sad view, especially as I've been here a few times when the lake was so big. However, if you're interested to see this temple and would you like to stay in these mountains where it's so cloudy, there are some hotels over there, some cheap hotels and some kind of very expensive hotels, some very beautiful hotels made by mostly Balinese people who own the land over there. Fully recommend, however, never been there because it's too expensive for nice hotel, and for the cheap hotel it's just too cold. If you live so many years in Bali, you will feel cold.
Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high.
As you see, it's a very nice place, worth to see, different than most of the places in Bali. This is the Munduk area, like I said before, Bedugul, previously Munduk. Now I'm going to Buleleng, which is the Singaraja Lovina. I will stay in Lovina for a night or two, I'm not sure yet. We'll see what is on the way. It's the motorway construction on the way. Maybe if will be something nice, I will show you. If so, see you in Lovina, guys. Jeez, that's the real jungle here, eh? The sound is probably lots of snakes there. Here is small temple. That's how it looks. Behind me was the small temple, and now it's time to go to Buleleng, Lovina. Just stopped on the road to show you. This is a beautiful field of lavender flower. I hope so, it's lavender. I'm not the florist. However, lavender flower for ladies. I will make a zoom for you. Alright, just stop in Indomar to buy some sneakers. You know, when you drive, it's cold. Need some sugar. However, this is very famous place for pictures, like towers, bird nests, stuff like this. It's closed, as you can see. This is the new stuff. Actually, you could make pictures over here just from the past 2 years in 2018. 2018 was a very weird year in Bali, and many stuff like this. Instagram spots was established in 2018. There's so many load bikes. Hello, doggo. And at this time was also established the first Bali swing, and at this time everything has changed in Bali. Lots of people used to come. A lot of people to compare to the previous years, and yeah, that's the how it looks. So loud. Right, I think I will go. It's was already very late. It's rainy. I think see you guys in Lovina.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high.
I just passed the brand new shortcut. I don't know if that's gonna be the new road or it's gonna be a motorway actually, and they prepared just the shortcut to make it easier. I'm not sure about that, I will find out. However, road is quite empty, and now I'm on the parking of Kitkit Twin Waterfall, famous Kitkit Twin Waterfall. as you can see, normally it's a lot of people who trying to guide you to the waterfall and ask obviously for money. But that's not the point. The point is, as there's nobody here, only my car. However, interesting fact, you can wash your hands over here. And now I'm passing the Kitkit area. This is the Kitkit Waterfall, the main Kitkit Waterfall. Over here somewhere is the parking area. As you see, life is as usual over here, just probably no tourists. Oh yeah, this one, as you see, no tourists to go to the waterfall. Check out these people, how they driving. Ah, that's so cool. Check this out. Nice.
Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free.
Oh, I think I got sunburn. Yeah, I got sunburn. However, I just arrived to Lovina, a very nice place. It's called Lovina Life. It's cafe. I'm just waiting for my room. I didn't get any reservation before. Actually, we need try to do a reservation. However, actually I didn't know at morning where I gonna stay. Very nice place. Waiting for the room. I will show you a few shots and we'll see. Alright guys, I just arrived to Lovina, North Bali, and this is my room over here, and this is the hotel very close to Lovina beach. Now it's full. I will show you more about hotel and more about Lovina tomorrow. I will finish this vlog now because I showed you quite a lot of things today, all the trip to the North Bali, and I'm already a little bit tired, to be honest, and got a sunburn. I don't know, you saw was bad weather, like, you know, rainy and cloudy. However, thank you so much for watching. Like always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. The most important thing is subscribe and comments and likes. And share, actually, all is very important. However, tomorrow and after tomorrow will be more about Lovina, Singaraja, North Bali. So if you are interested about topics, subscribe now, share to your friends. And like always, something new at 7 PM, Bali time, new video every single day. See ya guys, take care, stay safe, see ya.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground.